want to show you something. I am, wait lang. I am back again with my sketching, and I don't know if you want to see this, but look at this. I tried this kanina. See that? You see that? I prepared this one, my first sketch this, than ito. Kasi, I don't know, but I want to try again to be back at my sketch. Sana gumaling ako. I am not actually, to be honest, I am not actually expert to drawing, but I have, or I feel like I have the talent. Charing. Wala lang, gusto ko lang matuto. I want to, gusto ko lang matuto to do better. Kasi ang pangat ng mga, actually, ng mga pinta ko. I have here, but wag na lang tingnan. Pangat talaga siya. So, I am starting to do a proper. I am back with the basics. So, I'll update you if I did get better. Ngayon na lang ulit ako sinipag. And, actually, sobrang nakakainis. Nandito ako kasi wala kaninang umaga. Oh my God. So, I'm so addicted. Nanonood na naman ako ng kanina nakanood ako ng drama. It is a Chinese drama. So, actually, to be honest, I am not a fan ng mga long drama kasi nabobore ako. But then, there are some dramas na nahuhook ako and yung patience ko humahaba kasi I feel like I wanted to papanood that. Wala lang, feel ko lang. Yun lang naman. Ganito lang ang buhay ko maghapon. And it's currently Thursday. Sabi ko, mag-edit ako. Tinamad ako mag-edit ng vlog. I don't know. Nakakatawa. I am doing subtitle. But then, tinatamad ako. So, I will be uploading siguro by Friday, tomorrow, or by Saturday. I don't know. Titingnan ko pa kung matatapos ko siya. Sana, bigyan ako ng lakas na tapusin siya. At hanggang tapusin siya. Yun lang naman. So hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So I decided to do a voiceover na lang kasi tinatamad akong maglagay ng caption. And as you guys can see it, nagtataas lang ako ng aking lashes kasi every time nasa bahay lang ako, I'm just putting a moisturizer, then decided to lift my lashes and not doing so much heavy makeup kasi masama sa mukha na maglagay ng so much makeup and just add some sunscreen. And there is a tip guys, if you want to kaya din, mas better na ganyan lang light makeup sa house. Guys, remember, if you can, don't use heavy makeup every day kasi it may cause a severe breakout sa face nyo and it will also cause irritation and dryness. So better be put a light makeup if you guys are in a house lang naman. So, protect your skin, okay? Hey guys, I'm gonna update you my current fave. First off, my perfume. Here's what I am using. It's Enzo Set Yara. Look. Here's what my current perfume fave. Yara's cute and binuunti-unti ko siya kasi ang mahal. And then, for my lip tea, I've been using this Vaseline. Yarn. This. Okay. And then, my current pastime is, look. That's a word. That is a word. And this is my current favorite. And dahan-dahan ko nang nagagawa kapag wala akong magawa. And then, nalaro ko to. As in, you should try this. Exciting. Yun lang.